গুড আফটারনুন সবাইকে। আমি আজকে ইংরেজিতেই বলি কারণ এখানে সজ্জনজি আছেন, পার্থ আছেন, সঙ্গীতাজি আছেন। অনারেবল চিফ মিনিস্টার অফ ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল, very dear Didi Srimati Mamata Banerjee, respected dignitaries on the dais, respected Sajjanji, Sangeetaji, my very dear young brother Parth, Deb, who himself is a very successful person, June, Shujoy, our sports minister, Shri Arup Biswas, other dignitaries on the dais, Chief Secretary of West Bengal, and most importantly, Apnara, jara ekhane ache. I will not take much of time. I express my sincere thanks to Mr. Sajjan Jindal and the JSW Group for choosing Midnapur and the state of West Bengal as one of their destinations. There's already a cement plant here, which you've seen as you entered the beautiful complex, and now it's going to be a 1600 megawatt power project. I have known Sajjanji and Parth and the family for a long time now. You know, I have been to their Vijayanagar project in Bangalore, and I can tell you from my knowledge and from the bottom of my heart that wherever they come to build factories, power plants, institutions, they not only build factories, but they change the place around. And I know with the, I would say the mindset, the vision, in 5 years from now, this district of Midnapur will look completely different. I have personal experience of visiting Vijayanagar, and it's a state-of-art city with not only just cement, steel, power, and infrastructure, not just business infrastructure, but infrastructure for the people who live there, for the people who work there. আমি যখন আজকে এখান দিয়ে আসছিলাম ভেতরে যখন ঢুকি, আমি শুধু বাঁ দিকে সিমেন্ট প্লান্ট দেখিনি, আমি ডান দিকে খেলার মাঠ দেখেছি, তার ভেতরে যারা এখানে কাজ করে তাদের জন্য থাকার ব্যবস্থা দেখেছি. So it's not just a development in terms of production of steel, power or cement. It's a development of human lives. I thank Sajjanji, as I said, for choosing Kolkata and West Bengal as one of their destinations. I wish and I request, as being a citizen of the state, that he continues to come here, because this is a huge chunk of land and almost 4,000 acres here. He's going to build an industrial park also, but I'm sure his vision for Bengal and his investment for Bengal will not be restricted to the state of Midnapur. He will go further in the years to come, and with Didi's support, Honorable CM support, and she is extremely supportive. And I don't say this because I come to functions, because she's very close to me, she is very affectionate to me. I have genuinely seen it. And I'm sure that not only for the district of Midnapur, but for the whole state of West Bengal, in the days to come, you will see such projects. So for all of us, from all of us, thank you to Sajjanji, special thanks to Honorable CM, and all the people who work in our office who make this project successful. Thank you so much. আশা করি আপনাদের আগামী 5 বছর খুব সুন্দর কাটবে, মিদনাপুরের মানুষদের চাকরি হবে। আমি কাগজে পড়ি, দেখি যে মানুষ চায় তার পরিবার আর পরিবারের জন্য চাকরি আর একটা সুন্দর জীবন, and I can guarantee you with the facilities you will get in this infrastructure, you will not be complaining after 5 years. So thank you so much for inviting me, Parth and Sajjanji, for this project. Thank you, Mamata Didi, for inviting me here, and I wish all of you all the success. Thank you.